Hey guys, Dan House Washing Heroes, and we're just doing this quite large roof. It's a big one, so we're hoping to just treat it with the house wash mix. Quite hot, we went 5-6% and it got it half up, but ultimately it wasn't playing ball, so we had to get the surface cleaner onto it. Just low revs, just needed to sort of push it off gently, so there's no paint or anything like that coming off. But yeah, it's got this gutter guard down here as well, so the surface cleaners are good for putting over, and it rinses all those out really well, again quite gently. Now just going to go around all the edges, tidy up the edges and the whirlybirds and under the solar panels very carefully. So it's got a solar heart over here as well. Cal's taking care of downstairs. Jay's over there watching the equipment. So it's a 3-person job. I don't know how guys out there do these with 1, even 2 people would be a very big job. You know, we're lucky we've got the equipment and the team and a lot of practice, but yeah, so I'll put the drone up on this one, and quite a big difference. Anyway, it's our second roof clean for today, and hopefully we'll get to the weekend. Thanks guys, bye.